naalala ko to, this was a while back on social media, na paglabas mo ng bahay, and I'm sure you've answered this countless times. Paglabas mo ng bahay, there was a sea of people. Yung mga tagahanga mo. How was that? Kasi kahit yung mga kilala ko, some of the biggest celebrities, mga artista, hindi pa nangyayari sa kanila yan. Never. Pero how did it feel for you? Na, kita ko nga, from a very simple life, diba? Sa probinsya, sabi mo nga, diba? Tapos bigla na lang ganun. How was it?
It feels overwhelming. Parang sa sarili ko, I guess I have an idea why. Sometimes I also don't have an idea why. But there's also that, parang lagi ka rin nag-wonder kung bakit talaga.
So many people reacted na syempre nakita nga nila na ay hinahangaan talaga syempre si Dean. At the same time, there were some people saying na ano naman natin yung privacy ng bata. Diba? Na kumbaga, iba yung court, iba yung trabaho pa na makailangan niyang gawin, pero iba naman yung sarili niyang pamamahay. What were your thoughts behind that?
Alam mo yung parang feeling mo ay some people understand your situation, but you can't really also blame other people na, I get them like, malayo sila nang galing just to be able to see the person they admire the most. So I really understand. But you know, parang we also have to be able to learn our limitations rin na, yun nga, tao pa rin tayo. So we have to have our own personal space din.
Kahit sa akin po, and I'm sure ganun kay Dina, we're very thankful po sa lahat ng mga humahanga sa amin.
Nevertheless, very
lahat ng
thankful.
na-enjoy natin sa buhay is also because of them.
Actually.
Diba? But at the same time, yung paano mo i-explain na sometimes we need that personal space. Dahil tayo, alam din natin na ang sarap din maging fan. Diba? Ang sarap. Ako, pag nanood ako ng UFC, for example, pag iba yung feeling, parang ganun, ang sarap maging fan. Ikaw, what are you a fan of? Yung ganun din. Yung kung may isang tao o isang bagay na pupunta ka rin sa tapat ng bahay niya para lang makita siya.
Ay, siguro, hindi naman naabot ng ganun.
Oo,
But
pero
if we're
talagang-
talking about a certain person,
Oo.
si Zac Efron.
Si Zac!
Efron.
Oh my God!
Efron.
Si Zac!
Efron.
Oh my God!